Welcome to Question and Answer on more features of Scratch. Let's learn with MG. Get ready to explore Scratch's amazing features in a fun and engaging way. Here's the agenda for today's session. We'll go through multiple choice questions, short answers, and learn the key differences between important Scratch blocks. First question. The pen down block tells the sprite to blank. Your options are A. Erase drawing, B. Check drawing, C. Start drawing, D. Stop drawing. The correct answer is C. Start drawing. Next question. The blank block is used to insert a delay in loops and to control the speed at which the loop is run. Options: A. Stop, B. Wait, C. Pen up, D. Repeat. The correct answer is B. Wait. When you create a loop inside another loop, it is known as a blank loop. Options: A. Forever loop, B. Repeat loop, C. Nested loop, D. All of the above. Correct answer: C. Nested loop. The given script is created for the cat sprite. How many times will the cat say meow? A. 4 times, B. 2 times, C. 0 times, D. Forever. Correct answer: D. Forever. Sanjana has applied different effects on a sprite using image effect blocks of Scratch. Now she needs to remove these effects so she can apply other effects. Which block should she use? A. Stop all, B. Erase all, C. Clear graphic effects, D. Set ghost effect to 0. Correct answer: C. Clear graphic effects. Priya has applied an effect to the cat sprite. When she runs her project, the sprite appears as shown in the image below. Which effect did she apply? A. Mosaic, B. Pixelate, C. While D. Fisheye. Correct answer: B. Pixelate. Look at the block given below. What will this do to the sprite in Scratch? A. It changes the sprite's appearance. B. It changes the sprite's size. C. It makes the sprite spin. D. It makes the sprite invisible. Correct answer: A. It changes the sprite's appearance. Which blocks show multiple smaller images of sprite? A. Mosaic, B. Pixelate, C. Ghost, D. Fisheye. Correct answer: A. Mosaic. Which option allows you to add a random sound from your library in Scratch? A. Upload sound, B. Surprise, C. Record, D. Choose a sound. Correct answer: B. Surprise. Identify the purpose of the highlighted option. A. It allows you to add a random sound from your library. B. It allows you to record your sound. C. Allows you to add a sound saved on your computer. Correct answer: A. It allows you to add a random sound from your library. The given script is created for the cat sprite. How many times will the cat say hello? A. 10 times, B. 20 times, C. 1 time, D. Forever. Correct answer: D. Forever. In Scratch, the script held inside this block will be executed in a loop until the stop icon is clicked. A. Broadcast, B. Repeat, C. Forever, D. Wait. Correct answer: C. Forever. Which pen block is used to stop the sprite from drawing? A. Pen down, B. Pen up, C. Set pen color to, D. Stamp. Correct answer: B. Pen up. Which block makes a sprite execute a script when it gets a message from itself or another sprite? A. When I receive message, B. Broadcast, C. Broadcast, and wait. Correct answer: A. When I receive message. What happens when a loop is placed inside another loop in Scratch? A. The inner loop runs for each time the outer loop runs. B. The outer loop runs first, and then the inner loop runs once. C. The loops run independently and do not affect each other. D. The loops stop working after one iteration. Correct answer: A. The inner loop runs for each time the outer loop runs. Ria wants to write the same set of instructions 10 times in Scratch. Which block would she use to write? A. Repeat 10, B. Forever, C. Broadcast. Correct answer: A. Repeat 10. Look at the script given below. What shape will this script draw? A. Square, B. Circle, C. Pentagon, D. Rectangle. Correct answer, C. Pentagon. What happens when you use a forever block in a script? A. The script runs continuously until the stop button is clicked. B. The script stops after a certain time. C. The script runs once. D. The script does not execute. Correct answer, A. The script runs continuously until the stop button is clicked. Why is creating a custom block helpful in Scratch? A. It helps to create new types of sprites. B. It changes the color of the blocks. C. It reduces the number of blocks used in a script. D. It makes the script run slower. Correct answer, C. It reduces the number of blocks used in a script. What is the purpose of the define block in Scratch? A. To make a custom block with a set of instructions. B. To change the background. C. To change the name of an existing block. D. To add a new costume to a sprite. Correct answer, A. To make a custom block with a set of instructions. Which block category is used to create custom blocks? A. Control. B. Events. C. Looks. D. My blocks. Correct answer, D. My blocks. Which image effect should be used to change image 1 to image 2? A. Fishly. B. Whirl. C. Mosaic. D. Ghost. Correct answer, D. Ghost. Which block will execute the script for a specified number of times? A. Broadcast. B. Repeat. C. Forever. D. Wait. Correct answer, B. Repeat. Risha wants to trace the path of a sprite moving on the stage. Which block will she use for the same? A. Pen down. B. Pen up. C. Set pen color to. D. Stamp. Correct answer, A. Pen down. Let's match the blocks with the actions they perform. A. Set ghost effect to 50 makes the sprite transparent. B. Set whirl effect to 50. Twist the sprite around its center point. C. Set fisheye effect to 50. Gives a closer and wider view of the sprite than the normal one. D. Set mosaic effect to 50. Shows multiple smaller images of the sprite. Here's the difference between some important blocks. Broadcast. Will broadcast a message and continue with its remaining script. Broadcast and wait. Will broadcast a message and wait till all receiving scripts have ended. Repeat. The blocks placed inside the repeat block will run in a loop for the specified number of times. Forever. The blocks placed inside the forever block will run continuously in a loop. Let's look at the output of these scripts. First image. The output will draw a triangle of red color. Second image. The code will change the color of the sprite. Now, what will be the output of these scripts? First image. It will draw a triangle. Second image. It will draw a rectangle. Akash has drawn different patterns using the blocks of Scratch. He needs to clear the stage to draw other patterns. Which block will help him do the same? The Erase All option from the pen block can be used to erase all marks made by the pen. What are the benefits of using custom blocks in Scratch? We can create our own blocks that can manage actions or behaviors. It allows us to create a single block made up of many standard blocks, helping reduce the number of blocks used in a script. What are custom blocks? How do they help us while creating a script? Blocks that we create are called custom blocks. A custom block allows us to combine multiple standard blocks into a single block, making scripts easier to read and understand. What are the 2 ways to add a sound recorded by you to a sprite in Scratch? Scratch allows adding sound to a sprite in the following ways. You can use the record option to record your own sound, or use the upload sound option to add a sound recorded previously and saved on your computer. What is the difference between the broadcast and when I receive block in Scratch? The broadcast block makes a sprite or background send a message to all other sprites. Other sprites can perform specific actions when they receive this message. The When I Receive Message block allows a sprite to receive the message broadcasted by it, or another sprite to perform actions in response. How many times will the program say hello? The program will say hello 10 times. Why is the wait block used in the script? By using the wait statement, the program will take a pause of 1 second and then display the result again. Why do we need to use loops in a script? Loops save us from adding the same block repeatedly and help keep the script short and simple. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy learning.